No. I don't know what you do. Okay. Alright then. Okay, this is my new camera. This is the Panasonic Lumix TZ90. It's very difficult to understand how this even works, because I've never used it before. I only got it a couple of weeks ago. So yeah, let's do this. Right, so I'm trying to make a video that's less than 11 minutes 33, as usual. And I did one just a minute ago. It was exactly 11 minutes 33. But I didn't like it being that, because that would not go too clever. Right, so there's the things that I will be putting in the fridge. Okay? All these pies and cakes and orange juice and filled sandwiches and sausage rolls, and pies and donuts and chocolate eclairs. They're really nice, aren't they? Some have ceramic plates, some have paper plates. But anyway, this is the first film I've done on this new camera. So that's good, isn't it? So, we'll do this, and we'll see what we can do with it. I think it's exciting. It is, isn't it? It's very exciting. Actually, very exciting indeed. Thanks, Sharon. Yeah. I've seen these cameras for sale, second-hand cameras. They want £600 for them. I didn't pay anything like that for this one. I think I paid 160. Then I had to buy batteries and a memory card and a charger and a case and everything. So, yeah. But I really like the way it looks in the screen here. It's really good. So that's really brilliant. So, anyway, yeah, so we might use this in future, because my other Sony WX350 keeps going stupid. Oh, by the way, while we're about it, I'll just show you this. I'll show you where the fairy is now. If I can sort this out. Come on. Oh, jeez. Got silly. There you go. Here's where the fairy is now. Sitting on the bed in the bedroom. My new brass bed I got. That's alright, isn't it? Yes, we'll get into that later. Well, for the time being, we're doing what we're doing. And, see you soon, everyone.